guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam and today we are going to be doing something super exciting. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the new Wallace Mini Metro Tote Deluxe. This bag is brand new to me. It just literally came in the mail and I cannot wait to open it. I was going to wait until I had a quiet moment. The kids are in the other room. Fingers crossed that they cooperate. So as you can see, this is not a big box at all because like I said, this bag is a mini. They also do have a small, medium, and large deluxe Metro Tote, but I was looking for more of a personal bag, something for when I'm not with all the kids. So I'm just gonna open this up. Okay, so it does come wrapped in this tissue paper, which is nice. I kind of poked it with the scissors. I am surprised because normally their bags come with dust bags, but this one did not. It just came in the plastic wrapping. Normally their bags come in a protective dust bag and then also in plastic, and then all the hardware is wrapped in paper, which is uber protected. So I am kind of surprised about that. And I did get the color black. They do have a neon pink. They have a dawn, which is their gorgeous navy color, and then they have a dawn with like a rainbow stripe, which is super cute and just like a little pop of color if that's what you're looking for. So I'm just gonna take it out of the plastic wrapping. So first glance, I love the black. It looks super classy. As you can see, the nameplate is in this matte black color, so it doesn't really stand out. It all just kind of goes very nicely on the bag. And then it does have the leather trim details on the handles, which is always super gorgeous. And I just love that contrast against the black. It just looks super classy in my opinion. It does have leather feet on the bottom. These are black, and then it has the Wallace logo in the same tan color as the top. All of the hardware comes protected by paper, so I'm gonna pull all that off. I'm surprised. For some reason, I thought that the hardware was going to be silver, even though generally the hardware matches the nameplate and the nameplate's matte, but I like it. I like that all the hardware is matte black. So now that I have all the paper off, I want to show you what makes this the deluxe version. First things first, crossbody strap. Hello, that is awesome. It just connects to these little D-rings right here, and it can be worn crossbody over the shoulder, which is awesome. I love having a hands-free version because as you can see, these straps are short, so they can only be held either by the grab handles or in the crook of your arm. So these are not shoulder straps, which is why it is awesome that this version, the deluxe, comes with the D-rings to make it a crossbody or an over-the-shoulder bag as well. The next feature that the deluxe has that the traditional Metro line does not is the fact that it has exterior pockets. It has one slip pocket behind the nameplate that goes to about here on the bag, and then it also has a matching slip pocket in the back that goes the same depth of the bag. It then, if you open the bag up, has one slim but pretty large pocket, exterior pocket, and then it also has in the front, if you flip it around, a matching one, and those pockets are all extra. So you have 4 extra pockets, and then you have this beautiful wide opening of the main compartment. This bag does, like the traditional Metro totes, come with its own coordinating bag that has the cute leather detail and the matching hardware and zipper pulls. Inside, it is set up like the traditional Metro totes. It has the one long zipper pocket in the back and the 2 leather trim pockets up front. One thing that I noticed right off the rip when opening this bag is the fact that the interior is a lighter color than the exterior. Most of my bags, the interior matches the exterior, and I don't know about you, but it can a lot of times feel like a black hole. So I think having the lighter interior is going to make a world of difference in finding your stuff. not to mention all the exterior pockets and organization that this bag offers. My kids are going crazy, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that gave you a good comprehensive overview of this bag and just the different features that the Mini Metro Tote Deluxe has to offer. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you're notified, because I will be doing some more in-depth video on this bag in particular, showing you how I pack it up and also how it compares to other styles. Have a good day, guys. Bye.